Oh, I also saw this and I thought it was a real guy with a camel, which would have been kind of cool. But it's not. It's pretty cool though. Actually, maybe... Yeah, okay, I don't really like the fish. Otherwise, the blue car would have been a cool color to shoot something with. The fish makes it a little tacky though, maybe. Although, let's maybe try it out. So we saw this blue car here. That would kind of give a cool color. Not the biggest fan of the fish and the shrimp in the background. That's a little kitsch. So we'll try to take a picture of Natasha without seeing that. So can you move a little to the left, Natasha? Wait, can you take away that little water bottle there? Yeah, I always try to have an eye for details when you're shooting with your background, because like something like a small water bottle might give a different feel, kind of a, you know, less professional feel to the photo look. So we are at 1x now. So let's take a photo of Natasha. Wait, let's try to get some depth into this. I have this foreground element here, the mirror. Boom, that looks probably pretty cool. Yes, stay like this, Natasha. I'm gonna shoot this with a wide angle lens too. I'll get a full body shot of Natasha. I'll be like this. Yeah, this is actually pretty cool. So you have like a little foreground element with this. I'll actually use the tire as well. So we have a nice frame of Natasha. So that's cool about the wide angle lens. You can really have a lot of options of framings a lot of times, because you can go close to subjects while seeing other elements of the photo. So let me go to 1x and try to do the same, just to kind of see the difference. Also get a bit of the front of the car in it, which looks actually pretty cool. I'll also take it at a wide one, why not? But I don't think I like the wide shots for this one. So let me try out the 2.5 also. See how much that blurs. Oh, actually now we have, because we have the blue little lights in the background and the blue of the car. So that's a very nice combo of colors. So yeah, stay like this, Natasha, don't move. And then her nails are actually also the same. Wow, it really seems like we planned this. Now I'm gonna take a shot as well without the tire. Can you move back a little bit, Natasha? So, little step back, little bit to there. Stop, yes. Little bit to there. Alright, so I just now want the blue of the car to have kind of like a leading line towards Natasha. Super small step to there. Stop, yes. And put her in the middle of that shot. Take some snaps. Yes, nice. Also do it on a 1. Yeah, that doesn't look so nice, so let's continue to the last spot. I don't think that's sure. Or let's actually, yeah, this is not gonna work out. I wanted to take, or can you look into the mirror, Natasha? And just for fun, I'm gonna take this picture. I don't really like the background, but kind of interesting to see how much it will blur certain elements. Alright, let's continue to the next spot.